Okay, I am actually inside the Google Sheet, right? And I have just created some names over here. All right. It's not actually name. I'm just typing it as text. Okay. And interestingly, we already know that Google Sheet can integrate with the Gemini AI, which also belongs to Google. But what is interesting now is you can actually use Gemini inside a cell, right? By a formula, right? So you can see. So I can put an equal sign followed by the AI, right? Which basically means I am calling the Gemini. Okay. Then what do I want it to do? But what do I want it to do? So I can put my instruction here. So create a personalized person right personalized motivation code. Okay. Right. And do I want to use it with some data? Okay, maybe I will use it with this data here. So you can see I can put it as part of the formula. Right. So AI becomes a function. Right. And let's say if I hit enter, all right, see, I can hit the enter uh, on this, okay, and it becomes a function. So now I can just generate and insert. Oh, see, it generate this. See, it generate this. Right, your potential is limitless. Embrace the journey, and I can even use this as a copy. See, what? So now this one will be B3. This one will be B4, and of course refresh and insert, and you can see, right? So each one is now creating, right, a personalized motivation code based on the data I give them over here. So interesting, and this actually save time.